Article 256, Clause 1 reads, a bill to amend this constitution may be introduced in either House of Parliament, then B, may not address any other matter. That is singular. Whether they want to deal with amendments or whatever, and it's not being a different article, that's neither here nor there. These are different phraseologies driving home the same point. It cannot deal with any other matter. It's dealing with a single matter. And if anybody thought the Constitution was confused about singular or multiple amendments, continue the phrase, apart from consequential amendments, plural, to legislation. The only thing that can be appended to a singular amendment in a constitutional amendment bill is putting in subsidiary laws in the form of legislation that speak to the same issue, but not multiple issue amendments. And on that basis, this Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020 is dead on arrival. It has over 73 amendments proposals. The moment it came to IEBC, if IEBC was using this yardstick, Chapter 16, for verification purposes, it would have told Jeanette and Dennis, you've given us a bill that has 74 amendments, we can only deal with the bill with one amendment. If you want to bring 74 different amendments, go and get 74 lots of 1 million signatures out there in the country. Come here with over 74 million signatures. None of them did that. That is what we have here. I know we've spoken about, both sides talking about the onerous nature of amending this constitution, but that is it. If you want to amend it, not replace it, amend it, one issue at a time, one matter at a time. Anything outside that matter is not to be considered. So therefore, the BBI bill is dead on arrival. In fact, we're wasting a lot of time here dealing with something that is a fake document. It's a legal phantom, a constitutional charade. And that is what the real two principles, Appellant Uhuru and Appellant Raila, have foisted on this nation, spending huge amounts of public funds, huge amount of national resources in our psyche, but giving us a fake document. It cannot pass the legal muster. Over 1 million people are signing their signatures, their names, to a fake document that has absolutely no value in the law of Kenya. And that is basically what has happened. And that is why some of us who are very unhappy with such fake things happening in this country had to come out from wherever we are. For me, I've come from Rongo. I was very busy doing my quiet issues of farming and maybe a small arbitration here and there. But when you see the country's foundational law being mutilated the way it was being mutilated, people trying to replace and overhaul the Constitution, we have to come out and defend according to Article 3. There's an obligation on each and every single one of us to defend, respect, and uphold this Constitution. And that is exactly what we're doing. And I commend 254 Hope and Dr. Boso for also taking that role, coming in on our own. We're not paid by some whoever. We're just Kenyans who love this country. And we want to defend this country from the sharks who want to mutilate it. And that is why we are here.